I'm going to make coconut butterball cookies. This is a recipe, and I don't know where she got it, and I think I've seen it on the internet, but my mother's made it since I was a little girl. That's a lot of years. So let's get started on Darlene's table. All right, I'm creaming the butter and powdered sugar. That's just 2 sticks of butter and only 1/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. I did sift it. Now I'm adding the vanilla bean paste. I added more than 1 teaspoon. I love the vanilla flavor, even though these are coconut butter balls. All right, so we'll gradually add the flour until all of it has been blended well. This is the last of the flour. All right, now the coconut. It's 1½ cups of sweetened flaked coconut. I'm putting it into a gallon freezer bag, and you can either freeze it at this time for a later date or put it in the refrigerator and bake them later. But you need to refrigerate it at least 3 or 4 hours or overnight. We'll bake some later. This is great for a make-ahead cookie dough. Make it, put it in the freezer, and do it around Christmas time, along with other cookie doughs that I have done, including the candy cane snowballs. All right, this is the next day. I did them at 350 degrees for about 13 to 15 minutes. You want them just lightly, delicately browned. Then we're going to let them cool just a little bit because we still want them warm when we put the powdered sugar on them. So whatever way that you store them, you should also put some powdered sugar in there, whether it's a bag or a tin or whatever it is. Yes, I'm going to dust them on the top and bottom. You can't put too much. Honestly, you can't. Coconut butterball cookies. Another shortbread type cookie with coconut, dusted liberally with powdered sugar. This cookie is not overly sweet, but just the right amount to satisfy any sweet tooth. Another great gift idea for any occasion, but especially for Christmas, along with the Fudge, Toffee, and other cookie videos we made earlier. Of course, a link to the printable recipe can be found in the video description. We have also included a link to Darlene's stuff I use, which are Amazon links to products that just work for me. Check it out. And we have more gift ideas on the way, so stay tuned right here on Darlene's Table. Have a blessed day.